To turn on the VRTEX 360 Virtual Welding Simulator, press the round green button on the front of the system. Press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. The VRTEX is multilingual. Currently, it can communicate in English, Spanish, German, French, Turkish, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, Portuguese, Korean, Arabic, and Hindi, with more to come. The yellow theory icon brings up terms and definitions relative to the current screen. On the login screen, the blue icon changes between metric and imperial measurements. Log in a user by pressing each letter of their name or identification on the keyboard. This allows each weld to be tracked for progress under the user's name. Press the green Continue icon to advance screens. The joint selection screen shows the different joints available. There are currently 6 joints: flat plate, T-joint, groove plate, 2-inch extra strong pipe, and the 6-inch Schedule 40 pipe. Upgrade option number 5 adds the lap joint and an additional flat plate option specific for the build-up pad. On the joint selection screen, pressing the theory icon reveals information about weld joints and positions. Press the joint icon to select the desired joint. The next step is material selection. With the available upgrades, the user can select mild steel, aluminum, or stainless steel. Press the red arrows next to the rotating joint to select the choice of material. Selecting the material thickness is next. Press the desired thickness of material located on the right side on the joint image. If no choices appear, that means there is only one thickness available for that joint. Process selection is done by pressing the specific process icon on the screen. The available processes are SMAW with 7018, 6010, and 6013 when using 10-gauge mild steel. FCAW using both gas and self-shielding consumables, and GMAW using short circuit, axial spray, pulse, and STT transfers. Setting up the welding stand is very important. This allows the user to explore body positioning. This can help minimize stops and restarts. The pins are located on the back of the machine in the swing arm storage area. Use the numbered holes on the pole to adjust the table and arm height. Use the letters on top of the swing arm collar to set the arm rotation. The coupon rotation will be determined by how the coupon is set or positioned into the swing arm. To move each selection, press the red arrow icons located next to each step. The setup prompt is a reminder to make sure the stand is set up to match the virtual environment. Press the green Continue icon to advance to the next screen. Selecting an environment shows the many industries where welding exists. There are currently 5 different environments available: ironwork, power plant, motorsports available with Upgrade 2, desert base, and weld booth. Press the environment icon or red arrow icon to select the environment. The gas selection screen is used to set the proper gas selection and gas flow setting. These settings are found in the Welding Procedure Specification or WPS. Press the green Continue icon to advance to the next screen. The welding machine adjustment screen prompts the entry of the wire feed speed or amps and the volts or trim. Adjust the knobs on the touch screen by pressing and rotating. These settings can be found in the welding procedure block of the WPS. If the settings are incorrect, an incorrect settings prompt will appear, and the user will not be able to advance to the weld.